Hi Nikhil, hope you're doing well. I would like to bring you to a particular scenario. You are traveling from your home to a distant part, and unfortunately, you broke your glasses. You are supposed to buy a new one. You approach an unknown shop, and the dealer is nowhere heard, and you are supposed to go with the limited options available and forced to limit your standards according to the availability. This is the one among the many problems Lenskart is trying to address today. Hi, I'm Shilpa, CEO of Lenskart, and I'm pretty much sure that in next few minutes you will be listening to something that is revolutionary. Lenskart is an online platform where you will be exposed to thousands of the brands of the world-class products around the world, and you will be provided with a user friendly virtual modeling platform where you can try your glass and go according to what suits you, and that too in the shortest time and at your doorstep. Here my team is ready to bring some insights regarding Lenskart about its functionality, and I'm pretty much sure that you will be starting a new partnership or new investment plan with us.
Hi Nitin, myself Fazil. I'm CTO of Lenskart. Due to this changing dynamics in the Indian market, we at Lenskart have always been changing our technologies in order to get updated with the consumer base. We were the first in the country to fully automate our manufacturing process in order to improve precision and better rate in process. We also have a global patent on the innovative reading glasses, which is flexible, moldable, and doesn't need a stick to be fixed in your nose. We are also investing heavily on our R&D to improve our virtual and AI platforms in both websites and applications. We at Lenskart are always a step ahead of our competitors.
Yes, as a company, we have witnessed impressive growth in last few years, and we have raised a total funding of around 573 million US dollars, which definitely shows the confidence level of our investors. Apart from it, we have also raised 1645 crore worth of rupees as a part of our Group G funding round, and consequently, we have also entered the Unicorn Club, which is quite an achievement for a company like us. And yeah, we have also witnessed a threefold increase in our revenues between the year 2018 and 2020.
Hi, I'm Jagannath, the operating officer of Lenskart. We are expanding our operations and looking forward to enter the markets of Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities also. Apart from this, we are appointing ophthalmologists to have your eyes checked free of cost at the centers nearby you, and we are tying up with doctors so that you can get your eyes checked. You could also visit one of our centers which is located near to you to avail these offers also.
Why not match your glasses with the clothes that you want to wear? At Lenskart, we make sure that it's not just an item, but a fashion statement. We make sure that you get the best at the lowest. With a wide range of selection across online and offline store, we make sure you'll never go wrong. Go grab your first glasses and get the second one for free now.
Hello, I am Shomita Barman. I am the CPO of Lenskart. Here in Lenskart, we follow the world-class practices. Our employees is our main asset and our first priority. We take care of our every stakeholder as much as possible. Our main goal is to make Lenskart as a world-leading brand, and our every stakeholders are working very hard for that.